Welcome friends, myself Dr. Udayshay Chandrakant Patil, and now we are going to study the molecular symmetry part 5. In today's lecture we are going to study the point group C2V point group with some examples. In this molecular symmetry, if you happy with the information given by me, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So friends, now we are going to study C2V point group. C2V point group is observed in case of molecules like water, ortho and meta-dichlorobenzene, dichloromethane, and cis-platinum dichlorodibromide. C2V point group always contains C2 axis. This is only the principal axis and only one axis for the point group. C2V point group contains only one axis, that is proper rotational axis, and it is only C2 axis. And there are two sigma planes, vertical planes of symmetry present. So when you consider, if there is a symmetry element, bunch of symmetry element with identity E, C2 and 2 sigma V, then we can say that the molecule consists of C2V point group. So there are some example. Here is the water, here is the dichloromethane, it is meta-dichlorobenzene, ortho-dichlorobenzene. When you consider the point groups, we can say that according to the rules, first we have to study proper rotational axis of symmetry, which is present in the C2A point group, Cn. Here is the one example considering water, H2O, Ha single bond O, single bond HB. A and B are some notations given for our convenience considering HA and HB. Okay, and this is the axis passing through oxygen. When you rotate the axis with an angle theta, that is 180 degree. When you consider 180 degree, that means there is a presence of two possible configuration number 1 and configuration number 2. When you rotate HAOHB through an angle 180 degree along the axis, we can here get the equivalent configuration first, that is HBOHA. Inverse is observed, but it is not exactly identical with the original configuration, and we have to complete the total 360 rotation. Therefore again we have to rotate with another remaining 180 degree, and we get the final equivalent configuration number 2, that is HAOHB. Therefore there are two equivalent configurations are possible. How to calculate the 2? N is equal to 2. N is the order of rotation. N is the order of proper rotational axis of symmetry. Cn. Therefore C is the cycle of rotation for the axis, and N is the order of rotation of the axis, and N is calculated by dividing 360 degree by 180 degree. Therefore 360 degree divided by 180 is equal to 2. Therefore the axis is called as C2 axis. Therefore this is the C2 proper rotational axis. When you search another axis, there is no another axis which gives the equivalent configuration which is exactly identical with the original configuration. Therefore we can say that there is only one proper rotational axis for the water, and it is C2, and we have to rotate the molecule into two equivalent configuration, convert two equivalent configuration by using theta 180 degree. Therefore we can say that only one rotational axis of symmetry, that is C2, rotation by passing an axis through oxygen atom. Then next we have to consider mirror plane of symmetry, that is sigma. Then sigma, we have to consider three types of sigma planes are present, mirror planes are present. One is the vertical plane, another one is the horizontal plane, and third one is the dihedral plane. What do you mean by the vertical plane? When vertical plane means the plane which is imaginary and which bisect the water molecule into two equal parts, and the plane is parallel to principal axis, main axis, then we can say that there is a possibility of always vertical plane. When the imaginary plane which bisect the molecule into two equal parts is perpendicular to the principal axis, then there is a possibility of horizontal plane of symmetry. And when two successive C2 axis planes bisect by another mirror plane into two equal parts, then there is a presence of dihedral planes of symmetry. Therefore, we here consider sigma V is present or sigma H is present. How to determine whether it is a horizontal plane or vertical plane? Now, consider this structure. There is a C2 axis which bisect the molecule into two equal parts, that is half oxygen single bond hydrogen Ha, here we can say that, and in other part we can say half part of mirror image of oxygen, then single bond same mirror image of first one, and Hb, that is hydrogen, another hydrogen atom. Then we can say that HOH is bisect by a plane considering passing through oxygen atom. Two equal parts are observed, and these two equal parts are mirror image to each other. Therefore, we can say that there is a plane of symmetry. Now, we have to consider the plane which is imaginary, which bisect the molecule into two equal parts, is parallel to principal axis or perpendicular to the principal axis. Here we can say that. Another one. This is our C2 axis. This is our plane which bisect the molecule into two equal part, half part in left side, half part in right side. One H is left side, one H in right side, and it is exactly parallel to the C2 axis. Therefore, we can say that the plane which bisect the molecule into two equal parts and the two equal parts are mirror image of each other, exactly coincide with each other, then we can say that it is parallel to the C2 axis. Therefore, it is a vertical plane of symmetry. It is a vertical plane of symmetry. Here again the another diagram is present. Then another, we can say that when you cut the molecule horizontally or perpendicular to the C2 axis, this is our C2 axis, and when you cut in this way, the molecule cuts into two parts, but they are not equal because in either side there is a two hydrogen atoms, and in another side there is no hydrogen atom. Therefore, there is no mirror image. Therefore, the perpendicular plane is not observed in the H2O molecule. But the plane is also observed when you bisect the molecule. The plane is passing through oxygen, single bond, and both the hydrogen in front of the plane and back of the plane, in front of the blackboard and back side of the blackboard. Here we consider the blackboard is the plane, and here is our H2O molecule, V shape, bend shape, H2O, HOH, and we exactly cut the molecule in this way, that is passing the plane through oxygen, single bonds and oxygen, half part of the HOH is in front of us and half part is behind the plane, and they are all the mirror image of each other. Therefore, and again we consider here is the C2 axis and the plane is again parallel to C2 axis. This is the plane which is parallel to C2 axis, which bisect the molecule exactly into two parts, equal parts, and both the parts are mirror image of each other. Therefore, we can say that here is again the possibility of sigma V. Therefore, in this way, we can say that this is one sigma V, this is another sigma V. Therefore, we can say that there is a 2 sigma V, two vertical planes are present in water molecules. Then identity, each and every element is identical with each other by rotating the molecule into 360° or in 0°. When you rotate the molecule into 360°, it look like this one. Or this molecule, when you rotate into 0°, it again look like this one. Therefore, doing nothing, any operation means the identity E. Therefore, we can say that the symmetry element present for the H2O molecule is identity E. Then there is only one C2 axis of symmetry is present, and there is a two vertical plane of symmetry is present, that is C2 sigma V. Therefore, the bunch of symmetry element is always responsible for the point group named as C2V. C2 means it is the only one principal axis present in the molecule, and V responsible for notation used for the vertical plane of symmetry, and two vertical planes are present. There is a C2 axis of rotation is present, two vertical planes are present, identity E is present, then the point group is called as C2E. Therefore, point group itself expresses the symmetry elements, and all these are the symmetry operation we have done to explain this C2E point group. So thank you watching this C2E point group. In next video, we are going to study the next point group. If you like this information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.